Disclaimer: this podcast is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider before making changes to your health or skincare routine. Today we are diving into the world of Matrixyl peptides. These peptides have become some of the most talked about ingredients in modern skincare, especially when it comes to anti-aging and collagen support. But what exactly are they and why do they matter? Matrixyl is the brand name for a family of peptides originally developed to mimic the natural signals our skin sends when it experiences damage. In simple terms, peptides are small chains of amino acids, and these particular peptides act like messengers. They signal to skin cells to produce more collagen and elastin, which are the building blocks of firm, youthful skin. Collagen naturally declines as we age, which leads to wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging. By using peptides like Matrixyl, you're essentially giving your skin a little nudge to keep making the proteins that maintain its structure. Think of it as encouraging your skin to behave a little more like it did when it was younger. One of the most well-studied forms is Matrixyl 3000. This is actually a combination of two peptides, palmitoyl oligopeptide and palmitoyl tetrapeptide. Together, they've been shown in studies to improve skin elasticity, reduce the depth of wrinkles, and even out skin tone. Another popular version is Matrixyl Syn 6, which targets 6 different components of the skin matrix, including collagen and hyaluronic acid. This makes it especially useful for smoothing out expression lines and providing a plumping effect. Many people wonder how Matrixyl compares to other well-known skincare ingredients. Retinol, for example, also stimulates collagen, but it can be irritating for sensitive skin. Matrixyl tends to be gentler, making it a good option for people who want anti-aging benefits without the redness or peeling that retinoids can cause. Hyaluronic acid, on the other hand, hydrates the skin by holding water, but it doesn't directly affect collagen production. Matrixyl works at a deeper level, signaling the skin to actually build new structural proteins. If you are considering adding Matrixyl to your routine, you'll most often find it in serums, creams, or even eye treatments. The concentration can vary, but studies have shown noticeable improvements with as little as a few % applied consistently over several months. Like most skincare ingredients, patience is key. Results typically show up gradually, with smoother, firmer skin becoming more visible after 8 to 12 weeks of regular use. Another important detail is that Matrixyl pairs well with other ingredients. It can be combined with hyaluronic acid for extra hydration, with vitamin C for antioxidant protection, or with niacinamide for strengthening the skin barrier. Unlike retinoids or acids, it generally doesn't cause irritation, so layering it with other actives is usually safe and effective. Of course, not all products are created equal. When shopping, look for brands that disclose the type of Matrixyl used and the concentration. Some may use proprietary blends, while others will specifically highlight Matrixyl 3000 or Matrixyl Syn 6. Checking the ingredient list can give you clues about how potent the formula might be. Beyond just wrinkle reduction, Matrixyl has also shown promise in helping repair sun-damaged skin and supporting wound healing. Because it promotes collagen synthesis, it can aid in overall skin repair, making it a versatile tool not just for cosmetic purposes, but also for supporting healthy skin function. It's worth mentioning that while Matrixyl is well-researched, Results vary from person to person. Genetics, lifestyle, and overall skincare habits all play a role in how dramatic the improvements may be. But the evidence is strong enough that many dermatologists and skincare experts recommend it as a worthwhile addition to an anti-aging routine. So, if you're curious about Matrixyl peptides, think of them as gentle but effective messengers that remind your skin to keep building the proteins that maintain its structure and firmness. With consistent use, they can be a powerful ally in maintaining a smoother, more youthful complexion. Disclaimer: this podcast is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider before making changes to your health or skincare routine. Thanks for listening, keep learning, and stay curious.